Good morning, guys. Here with a compressor in a commercial unit, package unit. We got a leak. I don't know if you can see how it's like bubbling. So let me put some refrigerant, some leak detector. I know where's the leak. Start freezing already over there. Start freezing. And somebody already, whoever was here, cut the compressor switches off. So let me turn off the unit. It's an R22 system. And it's right there, as you can see, guys. It's just right there. I don't know, you can see. And all the oil have been traveling. That's amazing about the mineral oil. Is it mineral? Let's see. It's albican, AB, which is albicancer. I don't know. Might be mineral, I believe. But it's right there. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah. It's a very, very, very tiny. Right there. Right there. Let's see. Right there. Well, let me fix this.